Whenever you are thinking about getting a dehumidifier for your home, there will be many options that you can pick and choose from. You want to make sure that you are choosing the right one, and here are 5 of the best ones in the industry and some of the key factors. There are many products available to choose from. Best thermoelectric dehumidifier, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best thermoelectric dehumidifiers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. HomeLabs 1500 SQ. Ford Energy Star Dehumidifier. It's absolutely gorgeous and has tremendous functionality. The honeycomb design grille on the side looks really nice. Comes with several features. You can move the unit around without any hassle due to the caster wheels at the bottom. There are 3 options for drainage. First, when the bucket gets full, unit shuts off automatically, and you empty the bucket. The second way is continuous draining. The third way is a 1/4-inch pump hose. When the bucket is full, pump will turn on to empty the bucket. Unlike thermoelectric dehumidifiers, its control panel is loaded with options. It has a humidistat so that you can set it to comfort, continuous, or turbo mode. You can also adjust humidity manually. The display shows you the current humidity level, and if you press the arrows, it will show you your target level, and you can change it by increments of 5%. You will have to set it again at the end of each cycle. The unit is fairly quiet at 59 decibels. In turbo mode, noise level is high, but no more than a wall heater with a fan. Number 2. Pro Breeze Dehumidifiers. It can remove 18 ounces daily and store 52 ounces. Its built-in auto shut-off sensor is very reliable. If your area is smaller than 2200 cubic feet, it's the best. The buttons and indicators are well placed, right on the top. 2 lights on the front, a power light, and full light up when the container reaches full capacity. It has a basic design with grills in front and top. Breaths in the air from the front grill and breaths out from the upper grill. The Peltier module used in this unit is very energy efficient. The whole unit draws in only 21 watts of power. It has low noise, like a fan's hum, but you don't hear it, especially if AC or TV is on. It removed 350 milliliters of moisture during the first 12 hours. Then we turned it off for 12 hours for safety concerns, and ran it for 5 full days. In that extended run, it removed about 3/4 cup of water daily. In the last 3 days, we turned off the exhaust to push it to the maximum. Number 3. Vremi Dehumidifier. It is an excellent little powerhouse from Vremi. It comes in a super sleek package, is designed to remove 22 pints of water from the air daily, and can hold up to a gallon of water. The control panel is full of functions. The filter button reminds you to clean the filter. It will flash after 250 hours of operation. In comfort zone, humidity cannot be adjusted manually. Instead, it is preset to recommended healthy levels based on ambient temperature. The turbo button is for maximum water removal. The timer button allows you to auto start and auto off the unit. Humidistat will allow you to adjust humidity manually. On the first day, we ran it for about 9 hours. The humidity started at 63%, and by the time we turned it off, it was sitting at 40%. The humidity reading on the unit matched my humidistat reading. Number 4. Sevon Electric Dehumidifier. This cylindrical-shaped dehumidifier is among the most compact products we have reviewed. Sevon is very light and portable at 2.19 pounds. Its 1-year full replacement warranty is very attractive. It has been a whole week since placing the Sevon dehumidifier in my 4x4x8 Spider Farmer grow tent. So far, it has been outstanding. With the 450 milliliters daily moisture removal rate, we can recommend it to anyone with a grow tent size of less than 170 square feet. We like that this small dehumidifier has a 1000 milliliters reservoir and a lot of life. When the water level reaches 700 to 800 milliliters, it indicates by a flashing red light and turns off automatically. It can last for a week without having to empty the container. However, it will not work below 41 degrees Fahrenheit temperature. Number 5. Paul Schmidt Electric Dehumidifiers. This small thermoelectric dehumidifier is ideal for small to large grow tents. It is pretty basic and very effective for an entry-level device. When in operation, it continuously keeps humidity below 50%. Its simple and discreet design allows it to draw in more air and extract more moisture. Air redistribution is also very effective. Its 500 milliliters removable water capacity is sufficient to dry up small to medium grow tents. Furthermore, its portable, easy-to-carry design makes shifting easy. It can extract up to 296 milliliters of moisture per day. With a single button design, it is straightforward to operate. You only have to turn it on, and it will do the rest. Paul Schmidt MD500 has an auto-off function. When the container gets full, it turns itself off automatically. The green light indicates that the container is full and it's time to drain the water. The difference is visible in a couple of hours when you turn it on. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.